traditional Halal cuisine. Can't wait. Welcome to another vlog. Here I land myself in nighttime, exploring the malls. Famous one, Siam Center Point, MBK. Now, trying to haggle with the tuk-tuk. The prices are lower when it is a rainy season. Regardless of it is my first experience in tuk-tuk. Much like home. So I don't feel really scared of but the Indonesian tuk-tuk and the Indian tuk-tuk, they have something that's doors. But in here, it has a much leg room. Siam Square, nighttime, Bangkok. Now, you have to cross the road to go to the other side to go into the. So you follow what the locals are doing. I think that's what's happening. I am in Siam Square, Bangkok. You might see it in the daytime, but it is a hub of activities in the daytime, in the nighttime. A lot of people. So I want to go in and explore inside the mall. Center Point, Siam Mall, very futuristic. Behind passing us, so I needed to capture those images. As I said, it's the dry season, so see what's in here. There are very, very big malls. They are very big. I want to lead you to another place and another place. If you're not after a particular shop, welcome to Bangkok city center. That is the famous sky wall. Let us walk in there to view the famous, and this is the entrance for the sky wall. I didn't know Thai people celebrate Christmas, but no, it's always the festivities. It is that. It's an advertisement for some game show. So let's go back to them and walk down the famous skywalk. I see the map. So all the shopping malls are close to one another. Whether it's MBK, whether it's MBK or this is the famous to begin with. The famous skywalk in Bangkok, very famous. And you have your traffic, people taking pictures. I think you get the idea. It's a little bridge that they raised up above the traffic down. So this building is called MBK. Oh yeah. So if you are in Bangkok, this is the famous MBK Center. I was late from hello, greetings. So we have a prayer area full of a halal restaurant, halal signs all over the place. But I just arrived, so whether to eat shawarma. Food is not the top of my priority, to be honest with you. And this is the food court. And I get my boost once I find a place to pray, and might get few things here and there, because there is a large market over in Chatuchak weekend market. I think that's what's called, where you can bargain. This is a mall, so the prices are set more or less. So walking around, food court. People are, yeah, halal mango fruit, dried fruit, all over the place. And another halal shawarma shop. Let's see. I think I just entered. And the halal food court of MBK Center. McDonald's is not halal, but usually when I travel to Malaysia and you don't get, or Dubai, you get your halal burgers, Big Mac, vegetarians. For me and a lot of others who are along the journey, for us it's a prayer. When you get caught while you're traveling somewhere to pray and find peace and solace. So what you have is the food court as well as the shopping center alongside relaxation area, any point, shops, full of shops. So that will be me. I look rough, and but I'm not tough. Yeah. So I can assure you, it's just. But who cares? As I said, enjoy what I'm dishing out, and I hope you like, and I gave you enough and some idea of when you come to visit Bangkok, some idea. Oh yes, it sells beef shawarma. Greetings, my friend. Halal, yes? Alhamdulillah. Can I order your cheeseburger meal? And is it the same price as give me the cheeseburger and the caramelized onion with all the meals and fries and drink. Zero sugar, please. Any drink. Alhamdulillah. 350. Welcome to MBK Center. MBK food court. Pad Thai and traditional halal cuisine. Can't wait. I need to get that's really wow. Wow. That's a nice bed. Welcome to my village. Just came back from MBK as well as Siam Central Point. You know how some cities they package it their holiday advertisements, right? But some cities they don't shy away and hide nothing. And another shame of you get what you paid for. And Bangkok is such. It is very famous. Oh, hi guys. I'm not after the suits, my friend. No problem. Thank you so much. Good man. So, when the cities are the most visited cities in the world, and you have some understanding of some ideas of exactly what you're expecting. Is it what they say? Is it true? Or is it really? Subscribe and be notified. And I will catch you for the next one.